What's up, y'all? It's Jullien from the Multifamily Movement, and one of the things that we look for in a real estate deal is hidden value when we enter a home. This is my inspector over here, Mr. Ed Rowley. This is one of my agents here, Lori Scott. And so what we saw in the backyard of this home was not only a beautiful backyard, but we saw an opportunity to convert this here, which is a garage that's actually not used too well. We can actually convert this into an efficiency. And it won't cost that much because the square footage isn't a lot here, right? And so we can convert this to efficiency, put in maybe $20,000, and then get an additional $550 of rent for this space here, right? So again, we look for hidden value and hidden costs. Other people, they're looking for granite countertops, they're looking for open concept, things of that nature. We're looking for hidden value and hidden costs when we're evaluating a real estate deal. And this was an example of it, right? You see an extra room that didn't get accounted for on the MLS. You see a space like this, like a garage, that can be turned into an in-law unit. Not only is this going to create extra rental income, but it's also going to you're going to force appreciation in the property, because now there's essentially another apartment. And so we're going to go look at the permits and be able to see if we can pull those permits and actually make this a legal efficiency here in New Orleans. So this is the power of multifamily real estate. You have to be able to understand the assets. You have to understand what appraisers are looking for. And you have to train your eyes in terms of what to look for. I teach you the 4 eyes of real estate, which are eyes for the market. How do you know if the market is expanding or contracting? Then I teach you eyes for the neighborhood. What are the 30+ signs of gentrification? I literally have a checklist that you can just go through to see if a neighborhood is about to turn. Then you have to have eyes for the actual property. This is an example of having eyes for the property, being able to see hidden value. And then you have to have eyes for the deal. You can literally have one deal, but it can be structured in many different ways, and it works with one way and it doesn't work the other way. So this is what you have to learn in order to make a good investment when it comes to multifamily real estate. This is different than buying a single family home, okay? Single family home is, what did I get approved for? Hopefully it's up here. And what is the price? Hopefully it's below what I got approved for, and it's an emotional decision. But the multifamily real estate is all economics, not emotion, it's economics, okay? A lot of single family people, buyers, they're actually looking for a place to raise their kids, right? Whereas multifamily buyers, they're looking for a place to raise their net worth, right? Single family buyers, they're looking for a place to call home. Multifamily buyers are looking for a place for other people to call home. Single family buyers, they're looking for finished basement. Multifamily buyers, they're looking to start building their wealth. So you got to know the difference. You got to choose which side you're going to be on. I'm not against single family. I just want to say that get multifamily first, and then it'll create the way for you to get whatever single family home that you desire. My first home was not my dream home. My first multifamily home was not my dream home, and I knew that going in, but it has made the way for my dreams, right? It has made my dreams possible. So if you want to learn how to do this, go to multifamilymasterplan.com. Again, that's multifamilymasterplan.com. I'll teach you how to finance, find, and finalize multifamily real estate deals just like this one here that one of my private clients has just got an accepted offer on, and we're looking to close. All right? Much love, y'all. Peace.